Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the collection element. The collection element allows you to display products from a collection in a visual, appealing way, making it easier for your customers to discover and shop. Here I have created a collection inside Shopify admin, and I want to insert this one into the page. I will insert a collection element, and then select the collection. And you see the products from the collection show up here. By default, the collection element has some default product mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product cart button. I can insert more product mini elements. Let's say I want to insert a product quantity, and it automatically applies for all other products. Then I want to add some margin bottom. If you want to make any change to the products inside the collection, you can make change to the first one and it will be applied across the entire collection element. Now let's walk through the options the collection element has to offer. First, we have collection option that you can select the collection you want to show. Then we have product number. You can change the product number to show. Let's say I want to show only 2 products, like this. Then you can adjust columns per row. By default, there are 4 columns on desktop, 2 columns on tablet, and 1 column on mobile. You can adjust column gap right here, and adjust padding, margin, and those are important options for the collection element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.